Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss few examples related to probability which are based on experimental probability. That is, let's say a coin is tossed 1000 times with the following frequencies. As if the coin is tossed, so there can be a head. Let's say head is coming 300 times and tail is coming 700 times. Now we need to find out the probability of head and probability of tail. So probability of head is the number of trials in which the head comes up divided by the total number of trials. So, how many times the head is coming? That is 300, and total trials, it was 1000. So, 2 zeros and 2 zeros, they will be cancelled out. So, you will get 3 upon 10, that means 0.3. Similarly, probability of tail, that is equal to 700 upon 1000. So, 2 zeros and zeros will be cancelled out. So, you will get 7 by 10 is equal to 0.7. Let's take one more example. Let's say a survey of 200 students was conducted. A survey of 200 students was conducted, and out of those 200 students, let's say like maths, the number of students are 135, and dislike maths, let's say 65. So we need to find the probability that the student like maths and the students dislike maths. So probability of like maths, that will be equal to how many students they like maths? 135, and total students were 200. Now we have to reduce it to the lowest term, so we can cancel it with the table of 5. So here you will get 40, and here you will get 27. So 27, not 27, you will get here 10, yes, 27 upon 40. Similarly, the students dislike maths. What is the probability for it? That is equal to 65 upon 200. So cancel it with the table of 5. Here you will get 13 and then 40. So 13 upon 40. Here you can see the probability is less than 1 but greater than 0. Let's take few more examples for it. Let's say 50 seeds were selected at random from each of the 5 bags, and they were kept under some conditions suitable for germination. Now suppose you are given the bags, 5 bags were there, so bags were 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's say after a few days, let's say 5 days or 6 days or 7 days, they were germinated, your seeds were germinated, and in those bags number of seeds germinated, let's say in first bag 39 seeds were germinated, here 40 seeds were germinated, here 42, then 46 and 48. Now you need to find the probability of germination of more than 41 seeds. Probability of germination of more than 49 seeds, and probability of germination of let's say less than 46 seeds. So let us look at the question first. 50 seeds were selected at random from each of the 5 bags, and those bags they were kept under suitable conditions, which are the conditions suitable for the germination, like sunlight, water, heat, those all favorable conditions. And after few days we have seen that some of the seeds they were germinated and some not, and the data was recorded as the bags were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and number of seeds germinated in first bag is 39, second bag is 40, third bag is 42, fourth bag is 46 and fifth bag is 48. Now we need to find the probability of germination of more than 41 seeds. So how many bags were there that the germination was there? That is first, because it is more than 41, so 42, 46 and 48. So the probability is there are 3 bags, and how many seeds were there? Total 50 seeds. So 3 upon 50. More than 49 seeds. More than 49 seeds. There is no bag existing in which 49 seeds or more than 49 seeds were germinated. So it was 0 upon 50. That is 0. Similarly, probability of less than 46 bags. So 46 seeds say come, not 46 is to be counted. So less than 46, 1, 2 and 3 bags. So 3 upon 50. So this is how we can find out the probability. Let's take one more example. Let's say there are 10 bags of rice, and out of those 10 bags, the weights of the bags are, let's say 5.04 kg, 5.02 kg, 5.03 kg, 5 kg, 4.9 kg, 4.7 kg, 4.93 kg, 4.97 kg, 5.01 kg and 5.06 kg. Though each bag was 5 kg, on each bag it was written 5 kg, but the actual weights of the bags are these. Now you need to find the probability you need to find the probability of weight greater than 5 kg. आपको प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालनी है कि जो वेट है वो 5 kg से ज़्यादा है कितने बैग्स का. सो हाउ विल यू फाइंड आउट? दिस वेट इज ग्रेटर देन 5 kg, so it will be considered. It is also greater than 5 kg, but this is 5 kg, so it will not be considered because it is asking more than 5 kg. 5 kg से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, कम नहीं होना चाहिए और ना ही 5 kg होना चाहिए. Again it will not be considered because it is less. Again less, greater and greater. So how many bags are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what will be the probability? 5 upon total bags were 10. So 5 upon 10, you can cancel it out 1 by 2 or you can write it as 0.5. So this is how we can find out the probability if you are given the total frequency of each event and the total number of trials are given to you. So you can find out the probability based on it, that is number of trials in which the event happened divided by total number of trials. So you can find out the probability and you can solve exercise 15.1. Thank you. Hello friends. I hope you all like my videos. If you feel any problem, you are free to write in the comment section. I'll answer you as soon as possible through my videos. So like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.